The other day, I woke up and look what fairies had built in my yard. An entire community under the tree. There are little houses, there are tiny little plants, a little stone river, little stairways going to a home under the ground, a little sparkly set of stairs, all kinds of things that they have planted and done. And there's even a staircase going up to the door and windows. I'll bet there's an entire fairy village and community in there going up to the treehouse. And at night you can see these lights. The whole place lights up in the dark. And the fairies also are building a garden. They have a ladder going up to a tree where they can pick fruit. They have a grandfather clock, swing set, a slide, and they even built a dance floor because when there's a full moon, the fairies dance there at night. And, of course, there are foxgloves, also known as fairy bells. If you'd like to have a fairy village like this in your yard, just start planting plants and see if they come. That's what I did. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, go to my website, jonihilton.com, buy my books, and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.